Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the system option. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see here we've got some options which are currently inactive, so we cannot really manually change the date and time. It is because we are using the automatic options. So first of all, let's turn off all of those switchers, and now we can freely tap on date. After that we will have to choose it from this calendar, tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just choose it from this clock. Tap on OK, it will be immediately applied. The same situation with the time zone, just tap on it, tap on the region, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available regions from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it. For example, this one. It will be immediately applied. And of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. We can also change the time format. Currently we are using 24-hour one. We can use 12-hour format just by turning off this option by tapping on the switcher. We can also use local default, which is, I would say, kind of automatic option, up to you. So this is the manual customization of the date and time section, so we can always come back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.